Hello everyone, finally the Realme 12 Pro series launched in India today. Realme 12 Pro starting price 26,000 rupee and 12 Pro Plus starting price 30,000 rupee. The smartphone built with glass front and back with plastic frame. The smartphone comes with 6.7-inch 1.5K resolution T8 LTPS OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Realme 12 Pro comes with Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 SoC, both for running Android 14 with Realme UI 5, and the most highlighted feature is the Periscope zoom lens. Yes, the budget phone also comes with Periscope zoom lens. Realme 12 Pro comes with triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and the front is come with 16 megapixel selfie shooter. Realme 12 Pro Plus comes with a triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main sensor which is Sony IMX890 plus 8 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel OP64B periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and the front is come with single 32 megapixel selfie camera. So in the camera department, the Realme 12 Pro Plus going to be best. Both phone also powered by 5000 mAh battery with 67 watt fast charger, and Realme 12 Pro also come with Rolex edition. The phone also come with stereo speaker, in-display fingerprint scanner, face lock. Let me know in the comment section below your thoughts. So that's pretty much for today's video. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe if you have not already. Thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.